Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a template function. And what I mean by a template function is a function that can take in any type of variable. And yeah, it can take any variable and it can manipulate the variable however you like. So what I mean by that, today we're going to be doing a swap function. Okay, so we're going to create a swap function that can swap any type of value we need it to swap. Okay, so we're going to include IOStream. We're going to be using namespace std IOStream or input output stream using names stds, so we don't have to write this every single time we start the code, so we don't have to do this every single time. But yeah, so what's it called? We swap. We're gonna be, so I called the function swappy because I had like some type of error, because if I use swap instead I was overloading it, so probably there's a function that's already called swap, but I just called it swappy. And I'm using a type name t. Type name t is basically going to take in the variable. You feel me? It's going to take in the variable. It's either going to be like t, so I just call it t. This could be anything. It could be te, it could be pe. The main point of this is it needs to be called type name, so we know what type it is. So we just call it t. Okay. And then we have t. So this is, so instead of, the reason we put t for the variable is, for example, we could have wrote int a. But instead of writing int a, t will be the variable basically. T will be the variable. I mean, like, so t could be double, could be string, could be anything. So yeah. So it's, with a swap function is pretty normal. We're gonna hold temporary. So we're gonna store a temporarily, and then we're gonna switch a with b, and then we're gonna put b. So this will be a basically. You feel me? Store a. This will swap, what's it called, a with b. This already has, so temporary already has a, so a would swap, so b swapped with a. Okay, so yeah, and here we're going to be seeing what the first one entered, so whatever variable you entered first, and this one will be the second variable you entered. Okay, I'll be swapping that. There's an error here. Weird. Okay. So we got the code running. So let's say the first word is, let's say let's say tennis. The second word is basketball. Okay, so it says the first one you entered is basketball, and the second one you entered is tennis. So it flipped the, what's it called? It flipped the variables. Okay. So, and what I mean by this is because, like, you can tell here we said swap string, so it's gonna take a string variable. Okay. And let's say you want to change this to. So the benefits of this is because we don't want to have to write, what's it called, like a different function every single time we want to swap. So we don't have to write a double swap function, an int swap function, a string swap function, etc. So for example, I'm gonna change this to int. Okay. Okay, and so I'm gonna call this 1. I'm gonna call this 2. So flipped it again to 1. You see what I mean? But we didn't have to do anything with the function, so the function is constant. You feel me? And again, we could do, let's see what other value could we do. Let's try double. Okay, so I'm gonna just change to double. Okay, and let me just run program. I'm gonna call this 0.55 and 0.66. And it's still swapped it, you feel me? So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you get what I was trying to say with everything, and yeah. Take care, guys.